So now we are done with creating the header section using HTML. So now we are going to style it using CSS so that it looks nice. So the first thing I want us to work on is the menu icon. I want us to decrease it. Right now it's too big. So click over and inspect. Realize that the menu icon over is having a class of menu underscore icon. So copy it from here or click here. Click on the plus icon. Then over here, give it a weight of 22 ps. Correct. So now copy it from here. First, click here and go to your style.css. Style.css inside the CSS, style.css. Then over here, realize that the menu underscore icon is inside this one. So this one will be .yt underscore or dash nav dash left. Then over here, just paste it here. So remove this one from here. No, so remove this one from here. So this one be .menu underscore icon. So now save it. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. As you can see over here, the star over here has not been applied. The reason is being that we have not linked our style.css in index.html. So over here, we need to link it. So this one be linked. Okay, so copy this one from here to save time. Then paste it here. So now let's remove this one from here. It's inside the CSS, then style.css. Okay. So now refresh it. Okay. So don't forget to save it. So now refresh it. Okay, this is what we have. As you can see over here, this is it. So the next thing I want us to work on is this one, the YouTube icon. So click over and inspect. Click on the plus icon. Over here, give it a weight of 130 ps. Okay, so there is it. So now copy it from here. Go to your style.css. So over here, realize that this is an image. So let's attach a class to this one. So this one over here will give it a class of yt-site logo. Then over here will be .yt-site logo. Then over here will give it a weight of 130 ps. Semicolon. Okay. So now refresh it. Correct. But realize that by default, an HTML element over here has a margin attached to it. So I want us to remove all default margin on it. I want us to remove all default margin. So over here, go to your style.css. Over here, all, target all. Then over here will be margin 0 ps. Then padding also 0 ps. Then box sizing to be border box. Then font family will be sans serif. So there is it. And also a link over here has a text decoration attached to it. That's underline attached to it. So I want us to also remove the underline. So over here will be a text decoration, none. And also color to be ampersand F for that 5A, 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 then semicolon. And also I want a cursor, so this one will be dot cursor dash pointer. Then this one will be cursor to be pointer. Correct. So go to over here, you attach the class of cursor dash pointer dash pointer. And also copy this one from here. Then over here to the same thing. Okay. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Easy. So as you can see over here. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to work on is I want the body and the HTML element to take the full height available. Right now it's not taking the full height available, as you can see over here. So I want the HTML and the body to take the full height available. So in order for us to do that, we need to give it, we can choose to do it here. So or click on star.css, then scroll down. So over here will be HTML, then comma body. Over here, give it a height of 100%. So now as you can see over here, the body over here is taking the full height, and also the HTML element is also taking the full height. Okay. So now I want the nav, the items intent. I want this one to be flex. Why am I using flex? So that the items within over it will sit side by side. So I want this one to be flex. So in order for us to do that, click here and click on source. Over here I will attach a utility class to it. So this one over here will be dot d dash flex. Then over here I'll use display to be flex. Align items to be center. Okay, so now copy everything from here. Go to star.css. Replace this one with the copy text. And don't forget to save it. Now go to index.html. Over here, just attach d-flex to it. This is it. Save it here and also save it here. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay, cool. So now click here and click on toggle to button. Okay, so this is what we are having. So the next thing I want us to work on is the navigation itself. That's this one. And it has a class of yt-nav. So over here will be dot yt-nav. So over here we'll give it a padding. So this one will be padding to be 10 ps, then 2%. Then just file content to be space between. Then background to be ampersand FFF. Then we'll give it position to be sticky. Then z index to be 10. Then top to be 0%. So copy everything from here. Go to star.css. Replace this one in the copy text. Okay. And over here we can choose to even manage it over here. So let's remove this one. Let's remove the header. Let's remove this one from here. Okay, now save it. Just refresh it. Easy. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is what we have. Okay, so it's looking nice. Okay, so let's give it a box shadow. So click on this one. So over here will be box dash shadow. Zero 10 ps RGBA 0, 0, 0.2. Semicolon. Okay. 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 So now let's work on these icons. So there's it. So inside we have images. So I also want to decrease the weight of the images. So if I copy this one from here, go to your sources. So over here will be dot, then paste it here, then image. Because inside this one we have the image, as you can see. So over here I'll give it a weight to be 25 ps. Then margin dash right to be 25 ps. Okay, so it's looking nice. So we'll attach the cursor pointer to this one. And also over here, so I want a margin. Over here I want a space. So inside here, the menu icon, that's this one. Over here, add margin dash right to be 25 ps. Okay, so now copy everything from here. Go to star.css. Replace this one with the copy text. Don't forget to save it. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay. So now before we work on this one, I want us to attach a cursor pointer to these ones. Go to index.html. So over here, give it a class of cursor dash pointer. Then copy this one over here and paste it here. And also this one. And also the profile, I want us to make this one over a round. So in order for us to do that, let's attach a class to it, yt dash user profile. Okay, so now copy this one from here. And it's just 2 lines of star, so we can do it. So go to star dot, then over here will be dot yt dash nav dash right, then paste it here. So attach a dot to it. So over here will be a width to be 35 ps, border dash radius to be 50%, the margin right to be 0. So now refresh it. So as you can see, this is what we are having. Okay, so everything is looking nice. Okay, so the next thing I want us to work on is this one. So is this input. So realize that, go to your element tab, and also this one too, I want them to be centered. Okay, and also this one too. So over here, go to your index.html. Over here, just attach d-flex, and also this one, attach d-flex. Don't forget to save it. Now go to your browser, just refresh it. Correct. So everything is looking nice. Okay, so now let's start this one in so that it look nice. So realize that it's inside this one, and also we have this one over here. Okay, so first let's start this one, the white that said as boss. So copy it, go to your sources over here, not here, okay, here, dot paste it here. So this one over here, we'll give it a border to be 1 ps solid ampersand ccc, and also margin dash right to be 15 ps, padding top and bottom to be 8 ps, left and right to be 12 ps, and also we'll give it a border dash radius to be 25 ps. Correct. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this input. The input over here, this is a class, so copy it from here, go to your sources. So over here with dot, then paste it here. So over here we'll give it a weight. We'll give it a weight to 400 ps. Then border to be none. Then outline. There is the outline. I want the outline to be also none. Okay. Then background to be transparent. Then let's say padding to be 2 ps. Okay. So now copy everything from here. Go to star.cs. Replace this one with the copy text. Okay. So now refresh it. I think I can live with this one, but I want to decrease the icon. That's this one, the weight of the icon. So it's inside this one. So over here will be .yt dash search box. Then inside it we have the image. Give it a weight to be 15 ps. Okay. Yeah, so everything is looking nice. So copy this one from here. So replace this one and paste it here. Okay. So just refresh it.